Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. This is something that everyone can do this. So long you know how to read, guys, read and write, you can make money with this fantastic eight website that I'm going to be reviewing to you in this very platform. Okay, so research have it that there are over 27,000 books published on daily basis, and that is why book reviewers are always on demand. I guess every writer is an avid reader, so why not get paid for what you like? Imagine that. So imagine you getting paid simply you reading books. And this is the amazing opportunity that I'm going to be revealing to you in this very platform. I'm going to show you its legit website where you can make a whole lot of money simply by reading books. Okay, I believe the internet has immense opportunity to earn money. All you have to do is to look for opportunities in different fields of your interest. Okay, and if you love reading books or have a good voice where you can record your audio, then you can make a side hustle and earn a lot of money for yourself. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be listing a few websites where you can earn money as a reader by writing book review that and recording audios book. So one thing to remember is that these kind of make money online will not make you rich overnight. Okay, it's not a kind of get rich quick something, but it's something that can at least add money to your table. And especially if you take it as your as if you take it really as something, at least you can be making up to 200 bucks daily. And I believe that will be able to solve so much um pay some debt, pay some of your needs. Okay, so in this video I am going to be reviewing to you the It's Legit website where you can make money simply by reading and making review. So if this is what interests you, my name is Thompson Bright. I teach people ways to make money on the internet, um, all way you can make money on the internet. And you can see this channel we are just starting up. If this is something that you really be interested in and you have not subscribed, today is your first time visiting this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop these types of awesome video, you will be among the first people that YouTube is going to notify so that you can take advantage of that. So with that, let's dive into the video. So the number one website that we are going to be looking at is Kikus. Okay, Kikus is an American magazine that reviews more than 10,000 titles every year. Okay, they are mostly looking for English and Spanish good book reviewers. They are accept reviewer of any book length for all types of genres. The book can be a digital or a paper book form. All you have to do is to write a 300 words, okay, review in 2 weeks after a book is allotted. Okay, so that is all you just have to do in this website, and you are going to earn a lot of money. Okay, now how to apply. So all you have to do is for you to email your resume and writing sample to to their email. Okay, so after that you will be accepted and you can earn anything around from um $15 to $200 per review. So you can see how amazing this website is. So the number second website on our list, okay, the number second website on our list is called booklet. Okay, it's called book list. Okay, it's called book list. So that is the number two website on our list. So book list, okay, reviews over 7,500 titles every year. Wow, guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. So now, one thing about this website is that um they every year, and their audience are libraries, bookseller, and educators. Okay, the main aim is to attract librarians by suggesting the best books so that they can purchase it as soon it become available in the market. Okay, they focus on genres like adult book for youth, graphics novel, and etc., etc. So all you have to do is to write a very short review of about like 150 to 200 words for them. Then before applying, make sure you go through their website and check their requirement. You can check their samples of their book list review. Okay, so that is all you have to do to get uh to make a lot of money with this website called book list. Okay, so the number third website on our list is called ACLs. Okay, ACL. What this website, in fact, is one of my favorite website. Okay, ACL is a fantastic website that, guys, you can make a whole lot of money with this very website. Okay, so this platform is where you can record a book, okay, and get paid for it, guys. You just have to record a book. Okay, that is a book that have been written. You just do an audio recording to this book. And you get paid just by recording a book and publishing sending it to this website, and you get paid massively. Okay, their book consists of different types of genres, which are sold on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. All you have to do is create your profile, upload a few samples, and give an audition for the book you are interested in narrating for. Okay, so that is all you have to do. You can do well to check more about this website. Okay, so the number four on our list, is called Find a way voice. Guys, this is one of the my favorite website of reading and getting paid. Okay, so this website is the same as ACS. Okay, is a platform where you can give audition for book that will be recommended to you after you sign up as a narrator. In an audition, you have to record the book in a few minutes. The author of the book will select the specific narrator based on their talent. Okay, so you can make sure you have a great audio sample beforehand to attract authors to narrate their book. Okay, this website is amazing website that you can make a lot of money. Okay, just by doing what you already love to do. So the number fifth in our list, guys, this is another amazing website, guys. This is amazing website. It's called Voice. Okay, now, guys, one thing about this very website is how that Voice have narrator from over 160 country and more, guys. With guy, one, I love this very website. Okay, they have over 160 country and work with 221 different languages. Guys, this is amazing. This is why I love this very website so much. The website is so fantastic. So it doesn't matter where you are coming from, where you are. Some of these websites, they always accept English native people. So, but so long that you can translate the book in this various country. It could be your own very language, guys, and you read it and you can translate it in your own very language, guy. You are going to make a lot of money in this very video. So they operate with the biggest brand like Microsoft, Shopify, Cisco, Discovering, and etc. etc. On voice, you can browse freelancing voice skill, okay, audio books, podcasting, documentary, voice assistant, etc. etc. For becoming a narrator for audiobook, you have to sign up by setting up your profile and upload a good audio sample. After that, guys, you can start making a lot of money with this very website. Guys, before I review to you the fifth website on our list, okay, make sure that you already subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be reviewing to you more and more legit website that you can make a lot of money, okay, simply by doing what you're already doing. But the difference is that you are doing it and you're not getting paid, okay. But how about you just doing what you already love doing, the things you love doing, okay, and you are getting paid for it? So I'm going to be reviewing to you more and more of this legit website that to put money in your table, simply you doing what you love doing. So if this is what you really interest you, guys, make sure that you click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop these types of awesome video, you will be among the first hand that YouTube is going to notify, so that you can take advantage of this very information. And do not forget that I teach people ways to make money on internet by trading, arbitrage, forex trading, or all affiliate marketing strategy, digital marketing, blogging, YouTubing, and all ways to make money on internet. And if this is something that will really interest you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So the number 6 in our list, guys, is called US Reviews Book, okay. So and this very US review book is a freelancer can be review book for US, okay, and you can earn money. All you have to do is send your resume, sample work, at least 2 professional preference to the following to their email, okay. After your application get accepted, you can write a review based on the request of book you need to review. You have to write maybe up to 200 to 300 words review, and need to submit them in 2 to 3 weeks. In that, you can add quotes from the book, description of the author, and the gist of the book. So that is all you have to do to get accepted in this very website called US Review of Books, okay. So this is a fantastic website, okay. So the number 7 on our list, okay, is called Online Book Club, onlinebookclub.org, okay. This is another fantastic website, okay. This online book club is a transparent website. It is not a one-way lucky stream of income, though, okay. It has its fair price disclosed for the first review of the book. They will just provide a book for free, okay. From the second review, you will officially be eligible for the paid review, and as well as you get the book for free. All you want to all they want is an honest review of the book, as they say, and they paid narrator for their fair and smart review, and not for a positive review, okay. So this is another amazing website that you can get paid simply by reading and reviewing your what you have reviewed, okay. So the number last in our list, okay, though This is not in any way my favorite though. Okay, this is not my favorite. It is called women reviews of book. Women reviews of book. Women review of book. So women review of book is a deeply respected publication. Okay, it is the longest running publication since 1983, which is a part of Welly Center of Women. Okay, they review different genres like fiction, visual book, portrait, biographies. Before becoming a reviewer for it, okay, understand that it is a writer, it's writer, a great journalist, okay, academics, okay, and experienced reviewer. So before you pitch, make sure you are highly qualified for it to get accepted. So that is why, guys, I say that I am not really it's not my favorite, okay, in essence that before you could get accepted, they already have some professional professionals and a lot of expertise, okay, who are already doing the job. So for you as a beginner, you may not really get a chance if your work is not um perfect. But if you are good in reviewing books, if you are good in reading, and you can structure what you have read and analyze it, narrate it, guys, it is a perfect or a pass over for you. It is a worked over for you, guys. So check out all of this website, and do not forget, guys, to subscribe to this very channel so that whenever I make these types of awesome video, you will be among the first people that YouTube is going to notify. See you next time.